Hello, we're Team 1110. My name is Brandon, and with me, I have Luke to present the technical part of our demo. So our demo is going to showcase logging into the Sharing Hope Africa website using a database to properly check for logins. Part of the website involves using your account to do things like purchasing merchandise and viewing blog posts, as well as also being able to separate from user and admin accounts. So with logging in being such a key anchor to access all these different features, we decided it would be the best feature to start off with. So from coding this assignment, we've learned that many of the features to be implemented will work off of SQL and databases, which is a skill set that many of us still need to further develop in order to be kept in the loop with all the technical details. And now handing it over to Luke, he'll demonstrate the key feature that was implemented.
Yeah, thanks, Brandon. So in this demo, basically just going to go over three things: the database with the user table, register functionality, and login functionality. So we'll start with some simple login functionality, which you can see here. And basically the login method takes a username and a password. It first checks to make sure that there is a user with that username in the database. And if there's not, then that's not a successful login. And if there is a user with that username, then we check that the password that the user supplied is the same as the one stored in the database. And if so, then that is a successful login. Next, we'll check out the register function here. And this function takes a username, a password, and an email, which are the three pieces of information that a user must provide to register on our website. And the first thing we make sure is that the username supplied is different from all the other usernames in the database table, because if it's not, then you can't create a user with the same username twice. As long as that is fulfilled, then we actually create the user here. And you can see that we hash the user's password with this method called hash password right here. As long as we create the user, then we just save the user and return true that that was a successful registration. Next, we'll just check out these methods in action real quick. So if we would want to register a user, we can just call user.register with the username, a password, and an email. And then we'll see that since these were all unique, that the register function will return true. Now we can quickly log in as the user. And we will supply an incorrect password first. So that returns false because the password provided is not the same as this user. But then if we do supply the correct password, we'll actually successfully log in. So yeah, these are the three things that we created to show off our demo.